everyone. Today we will give a demo on how to upload documents. First, we click on the technical file you are working on. Then go to the Documents tab. Click on Upload Documents. The note in red serves as a reminder that you can only upload PDF, JPG, JPEG, and PNG documents. Documents in Excel or Word formats, for example, cannot be uploaded directly. You will first need to convert it to one of the 4 allowed types. Then you can proceed to upload. Let's click on Add Documents. This way you can select the documents you need from a local drive. Then click on Start Upload. Wait for upload to complete. You can also drag and drop the documents you need directly into this upload box. Then click on Start Upload. When it shows 100% green, it means upload is completed. You can click on Close. All documents have been uploaded successfully. Thank you.